Hello everyone, it's Sunday and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review. It is a Sundays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are taking a look at Walker, the latest offering from the BMX platform. And this is the first bold review after the BMX blackout na ginawa ko sa channel na to. So what is Walker? Walker is like a formal term for a prostitute. Okay, so this movie is spearheaded or starred by Rob Ginto, Vince Lon, Mark Janicio, and I think this is the second time na nakita ko si Rob Ginto kasama si Vince Lon. First time was Araro. Okay, and what a series that was. That wasn't a movie. That was a series. That was almost 2 years ago. My God, how time flies. So yeah, before anything else, I want you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Sundays with BMX only on Harriet. And yeah, before anything else, pool plans ko sa Zenless Zone Zero. This is the game currently displayed on your screen. My pool plans are as follows. So 1.6, I think I'm going to be skipping Soldier Zero and Trigger. So in my last video ng Zenless Zone Zero, I literally stated na I will be pulling for Trigger. Pero nangyari kasi nagpull ako kay Qingyi and I don't have any more ammunitions kay Trigger. Well, technically meron naman pero for a full 50-50 win, lose, yeah, no. So I'm just going to skip it. Nakita ko yung 1.7 drip marketing and it gave us Bibian. Okay? So, kung tutusin, kung si Bibian Velez, Anomaly Eater, bagong unit, Eater Anomaly, ay yung bagong archetype ng Eater, yeah, I'm going to definitely pull for her. And then, yung second half ng 1.7, I see Hugo, who is an ice attacker. Definitely, I'm skipping it. Okay? It's kinda awesome naman by the fact na yung yung tawag doon, the patch 1.x, it began with ice attack. It peaked with frost anomaly. Technically, it's ice. And then it will end with Hugo, who is also an ice attacker. So, ayun. Rest in peace, Ellen Joe. Rest in peace, Ellen Joe. Okay. Okay, let's go to Walker. Walker is about sino yun? It's about Alex, who is a walker or a prostitute, and she is out on a hunt who killed her best friend, Simara. Okay. So, first half ng Walker, we get to know Alex's life. Unfortunately, may playtime segment dito, which is yung current niche na after segs, doon sila mag-playtime. Buti na lang wala yung 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 background music eh. Pero, yeah, this movie will suffer the -1 penalty. It sucks that the first movie that I am reviewing after the blackout has a playtime scenario, but it is what it is, you know. Ayun. Furthermore, maganda naman yung mga eksenang sex dito ni Rob Ginto. It's your typical Rob Ginto mature scenes. Nothing to go to write home about. Ayun. And then it all comes to a screeching halt pag nung nalaman niya na si Mara, habang nagtatalig siya, may tumawag sa kanya, si Mark Janicio, yung kalbo, tumawag sa kanya, patay na ang kanyang best friend si Mara. And then, napatigil ka agad eh. Tumigil yung pagtatalik nila eh. So, yun. So, more than meets the eye, na-meet ni Alex, itong si Joel, isang photojournalist ng mga scene of the crime. And may hinala si Joel na isang serial killer or isang sindikato ang behind sa pagpatay kay Mara. Determined to figure out who killed her best friend, Si Rob Ginto, she let loose on a wild goose on a chase on those syndicates. So, she went to the former handler ni Mara, si Sandra, and Sandra did say that a few of her clients did die the last couple of days. Ayun. And anong nangyari dito, trinace back ni Mara lahat ng mga trinace back ni Alex lahat ng mga nakatalik ni Mara over the past few days. So we get to see Terence, some dude. Terence ang naalala ko kasi may kamukha siyang kilala ko eh. Ayun. And also, isa sa part dun si Joel which revealed na dating lover siya ni Mara. Ayun. Over the course of this investigation ni Alex, nagkakaroon siya ng flashback ng pagsasama nila ni Mara. Turns out, dati silang mag-on pero hindi rin nag-click and that's why they got separated for like a whole year. Ayun. So, lahat ng ginagawa ni Alex dito na pagtatalik, she gets some samples. Buhok, semen, ayun. And one of those na naging katalik ni Alex ay itong si Joel. Kinuha niya ng dugo and by scratching Joel's back, tapos ginamit niya yung dugo to send it to a parcel dun sa mga nag-iimbestiga, which is one of them is Mark Junicio and his informant. Over the course of the investigation na ginagawa ni Alex para kay Mara, siya ay tinitrete nitong sindikato na baka matulad siya sa kaibigan niyang Pokpok. Okay? And it is a bit of a warning. Okay. So what happened next is really confusing. So bear with me. Pumunta si kinidnap si Mara ng sindikato. Sinundan ito ni Joel. Okay. So it seems like Mara is going to get killed by the syndicate. At nalaman natin na si Mark Junicio, kanyang informant, ay membro ng sindikato to. Mark Junicio killed his very own informant to prove his loyalty to the chief ng sindikato na di ko alam sino yung I believe he's a lieutenant. Ewan ko, mga police rin yung yung mga pumapatay ng mga pokpok. Okay? And then, ayun, suddenly, Joel comes to the rescue, stabs Mark Junicio, kills the two kidnappers ni Alex, and then kills the head of the syndicate. And then it is revealed that Joel was the one who killed Mara through the blood samples. And this is pretty weird because it all seems na tama yung lead ni Alex, but it seems she went down in a wild goose chase. Like, yung suspect, andun na pala sa harap niya, nakatalik pa niya. Okay. Si Vincero nasa Batang Quiapo no? Bigatin sa Viva Max, pero sa Batang Quiapo, extra lang ni Andrea Del Rosario. Ayun. Yun. Joel tries to R-word si si Alex, and then he got shot by a dying Mark Junicio to end the movie. Yeah, that's Walker for you. That's Walker Kessler. Baka yun na yung title ng movie na to. Walker Kessler. Okay, so yeah. What is the rating? Punta ko dito, dubstep. Too much dubstep. Like, mas malakas pa yung music kaysa dun sa dialogue nila habang nagtatalik. Like, there's like, every sex scene here in this movie has a dubstep track playing over it. Ayun. So I'm gonna give Walker a very generous just about bearable, but since it is suffering on the penalty, I'm gonna give it a copium tier. Yeah, copium. So yeah, Walker is a copium. I'm going to try to publish this today, and then Monday will be the review of Collector, which has the WWE Vengeance pay-per-view typeface font. Yung E na walang horizontal line. Ayun. Very excited at Star Nicoloco, Salome Salvi, and Candy Veloso. And yeah, and then Tuesday, we got doubleheader. I will be reviewing Malagkit and Wow Mane episode 6. Okay. Wow Mane, di ko alam kung na-cancel na kasi nakita ko na sa BMX site hanggang episode 6 na lang siya. Pero who knows. But then again, yeah, Walker, copium tayo dito pare. Ayun, avoid it at all costs. This is your boy, the God Game Sub, Harriet. Thank you, goodbye, and good night. Save for Vivian sa Zenless Zone Zero.